In this video, we will cover how to hook up a Lightbar to the Ag Leader PF3000. Once all the physical connections have been made between the monitor, the GPS unit, and the Lightbar, turn the monitor on. Once the monitor is fully powered on, press the menu button. Press Setup. Press the right arrow. Press GPS. Scroll down so that Lightbar is highlighted. Press Edit. Highlight Lightbar status and press Edit. Change status to On. Once the status has been changed to On, do not press Accept yet. Plug the Lightbar into the aux connection on your add-on GPS. Once the connection has been made, you can now press Accept. We have now covered how to hook up a Lightbar to the Ag Leader PF3000. For more information on Ag Leader products, please refer to your local Ag Leader dealer, other tutorial videos on the Ag Leader YouTube channel, or the Ag Leader Knowledgebase at support.agleader.com. To find an Ag Leader dealer in your area, please visit our website at www.agleader.com and use the Find a Dealer feature located on the homepage.